Here's a day in my life. So the first thing I do is pick up my tap water instead of my bottled water. And why, you may ask? In a 2018 study by Columbia University and Rutgers University, it was found that 240,000 pieces of detectable microplastics were found per liter of water. 10% of which were microplastics, and the other 10% were nanoplastics. So I hope you enjoy seeing a day in my life, learning about why I stopped drinking bottled water and why you should. It's better for the environment and it's better for your own health to start drinking tapped water instead of bottled water.
Hello, my fellow Americans. Drink tap water. Tap water in the San Gabriel Valley is so safe to drink because it is regulated by the EPA, and our Valley County Water District has amazing filtration processes at their processing facilities.
¡Qué ridículo! ¿Qué estás tomando así?
Porque es agua de la llave de Valley County Water District, muy buena. Porque está filtrada en Valley County Water District, aquí en la planta de procesamiento, aquí en la Main Street. Muy buena el agua de la llave, ¿verdad?
Riquísima.
Filtrada por Valley County Water District.
Valley County Water District.
¿Qué es esto?
Basura, nosotros no tomamos eso.
Muy bueno.
No, you should be drinking tap water, bro. Here you go.
What's the difference?
That is an excellent question. Hi, I'm Victoria Limon, and here are some reasons why drinking tap water is better for you and the environment. In comparison, bottled water contains nano and microplastics which have been discovered in the human body, especially in the heart, lungs, and brain. However, not only are humans being impacted by bottled water, but so is the environment. Every year, humans produce more than 440 million tons of plastic, with more than 38 million being from bottled water. This outcome can be easily avoided by drinking tap water, which is treated in facilities like the one behind me right now. This water treatment center is located in Baldwin Park, California, and was constructed in the 1990s. It can produce almost 4,000 gallons of water per minute. The water in your household goes through several stages in which pollutants are filtered out. By the end of the process, the water exceeds the FDA standards for drinking water, making it safe to consume. So, make the switch to tap water today, which is locally treated. You'll be saving your health and the environment from excess plastic.